Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Are you preparing for CBSE class 10th board exam and want to know how toppers write answers to score 90% plus? Stick with me because today I will show you the actual topper answer sheet subject wise and explain you how to use them and tell you how they can boost your board examination marks. CBSE releases topper answer sheet from previous year board exam as model paper. These are handwritten answer sheet of student who scored top marks. By studying them, you learn how answers were written and how they were structured and how marks were scored. So as you can see on the screen, this is topper answer sheet of subject science. So as you can see, first for science, they have written section A, means they have clearly mentioned below is the section A questions which you also should do. Then as you can see, they have written question number clearly, and section A is basically MCQ. So see, they have written correct option as well as what is present in the option as well. As you can see, all MCQ that student has written correct option with that description as well. So you also should do. Even they have done for assertion and reason also. Next you can see the section B, and here numerical question is there. So see how the topper student, first they have written the given, like U is given, focal length is given, then what they are going to find. Then they have clearly written the formula they are going to use to solve, and after that only they are starting the calculation, and then at the end they are writing the final answer. They got the final answer, then they are writing that position of image formed by mirror is plus 30 centimeter, means on the other side of the mirror. See how detailed they have written, means that in a evaluator won't get any chance to cut their marks. Even that next numerical also you can see. Next, see few questions require diagram also, like budding. So here they have described that, and then they have drawn the clear diagram with labeled. See how they have written labeled diagram. Then if we are writing the long answer, first try to write it in point wise. If we are not writing point wise, see how they have underlined using pencil, and don't use any other color to highlight it. Use pencil only to underline the main topic. See reaction also how they have written clearly, and observation also in point wise. It's always better to write in point wise, whether it's science or social science. Yes, for English you need to write it in paragraph. You can see the English answer sheet as well. See for circuit diagram, they have drawn the diagram properly. Then again they have written the given thing, what they need to find, the formula, then they are solving it, and final answer also they have written in box to highlight that final answer. Now let us see how you can get all this toppers answer sheet. I have already provided the link in the description of this video. Once you click on it, it will take you to Manjari Center of Learning and Leadership, and here it's written CBSE class 10th topper answer sheet 2025. You should scroll down here. First they have written the reason why it's useful. So it shows actual marking scheme, highlight presentation, guide student stepwise marking, help improve time management and reduce exam stress. Now if you go down here, you can download topper answer sheet for all the subject. It's available for English, Hindi course A, Hindi course B, mathematics basic, mathematics standard, science and social science. All the subject is available. I have already shown you the science. Now I will show you mathematics. You just need to click on this answer sheet PDF. So now let's click here. So as you can see, your downloading is started, and now my file is downloaded. So you are going to get this type of file, math.zip. So you need to unzip. You should have that software in your mobile, then you can access in mobile also, or in laptop also you should have. So let's click here. So as you can see here, math standard PDF. So you need to extract that file. So let's click extract here. you need to write the name of the file and click on extract again. Now your file is extracted and you got one new folder with that same zip file name. So you just need to click on it and then you have this PDF. Open this PDF. So as you can see, this PDF is ready. So now here this is the PDF. So here section A. So again that student or topper has done same way. He has written question number clearly or correct option, and that option what is there, that also is written. Then next section B. So like this you can download for all the subjects. If you really want to improve your answer writing, then downloading and analyzing Topper Answer Sheet is one of the best way. Link are given in the description, don't miss them. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more CBSE board exam tip and answer strategies.